Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick in Power BI how to quickly duplicate a table. Whether you want to experiment with data modeling or just save time building new queries, knowing how to duplicate tables can be a real game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel completely comfortable making exact copies of your tables, helping you work smarter and more flexibly in Power BI. Alright, let's jump right into it. First up, go ahead and open Power BI on your computer. If you already have your project open, you're in the right place. If not, just launch Power BI and load up the project that contains the table you want to duplicate. It's always a good idea to get familiar with the environment. Each part of Power BI is designed to make your data work easier, and this step is all about getting set up for success. Once your project is open, look for the top menu bar and locate the Home tab. This is like your command center in Power BI where most of the key actions begin. In the Home tab, there's a button called Transform Data. Click on that. What this does is open up the Power Query Editor, which is a sort of backstage area where you can manipulate, clean, and reshape your data before it even hits your reports. If you've never used Power Query before, don't worry. It's designed to be intuitive, and today we'll only be focusing on one small, pain-free part of it. Now you'll notice that on the right-hand side, there's a pane listing all of your queries. In Power BI terms, a query is just a table or a connection to data that you're working with. Find the table you want to duplicate in that list. Sometimes, if you have a lot of tables, you may need to scroll a bit, but it's worth taking a moment to make sure you're selecting the exact table you need. Here comes the magic move. Right-click on that table's name. You'll see a bunch of options pop up, but the one you want is called Duplicate. Go ahead and click it. What this does is create an exact copy of your original table, including all its steps and transformations. This is incredibly handy, for example, if you want to test different ways of cleaning or merging data, or if you want to build a slightly different report off the same source table without starting from scratch. Think of it like copying a recipe. Now you can tweak the ingredients in one version while still keeping the original safe. One little tip, once you've duplicated your table, you'll probably want to rename it, just to keep things organized and avoid any confusion later. You can do this by double-clicking the new table's name and typing in something that makes sense for your project. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a table in Power BI. See, quick and painless. Don't worry if this took you a moment. Like any skill, it gets easier every time you do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Power BI or ideas for future videos, just drop a comment below. I read every one. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, clear Power BI tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.